Welcome to this video about using software to create vibrant and cool looking screenshots. So this software is quite straightforward to use. You just take a screenshot and you can add a cool background, and this makes it nice to share with colleagues or with friends. So it's an all-in-one tool, and you can auto balance bad screenshots, so make them look nicer, and then obviously adjust the background to make it seem fitting. You can go even more in depth and adjust the paddings and margin, and even auto detect the boundaries colors. And there are a lot of unique designs available. So it's a Windows application that you download on your computer, and you can choose how much you pay for it. It's on Gumroad and the name is Sidebread, so you can find it if you do a quick Google search. So that was a look at a screenshotting tool that allows you to make it look nice. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.